Imagine getting paid for doing what you love the most, watching YouTube videos. Welcome to our video. Are you a YouTube addict who spends hours watching videos without any reward? Well, today we have some exciting news for you. You can now earn money by watching videos on YouTube. Yeah, you heard that right. In this video, we will share with you a secret method to earn money by simply watching YouTube videos. Are you tired of wasting your time watching endless YouTube videos without any reward to show for it? Well, what if we told you that you could earn money by simply watching YouTube videos? In this video, we will share you a top secret method to earn up to $100 a day by just watching your favorite videos on YouTube. We will introduce you to a revolutionary website called liablemoney.com, which pays its users for watching videos. Moreover, we will also tell you about other websites like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars, where you can earn money by watching videos and doing simple tasks. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this. Introducing liablemoney.com, the website that pays you for watching videos. Are you skeptical about whether you can earn money by watching videos on YouTube? Well, let us introduce you to a groundbreaking website called liablemoney.com, which pays its users for watching videos. You heard that right. This website will pay you up to $100 a day for watching videos. It may sound too good to be true, but rest assured it is a legitimate platform that compensates its users for viewing videos. In this section, we will explain to you how you can start earning money by watching videos on liablemoney.com. The process of earning money on liablemoney.com is remarkably straightforward. First, you need to create an account, which is a quick and hassle-free procedure. Once registered, you can start earning money immediately. On the liablemoney.com homepage, locate the sign up button in the top right corner. Click it and then provide some basic information like your name, email address, and a password. After your account is set up, you're ready to watch videos and accrue earnings. The website's algorithm will monitor your progress and allocate your earnings accordingly. However, there's a crucial aspect to remember while using liablemoney.com. You must watch all videos from beginning to end for the algorithm to credit your earnings. Skipping even a single video may result in account restrictions. In addition to earning money by watching videos, you can also profit by referring friends to liablemoney.com. Referring friends is a win-win situation. You're introducing them to a fun, simple method of earning money online while also receiving a commission for each referral. This commission can accumulate over time and become a substantial amount, so it's certainly worth spreading the word. Plus, imagine all the incredible YouTube channels you and your friends will discover along the way. You may even find hidden gems or start your own channel, earning even more through liablemoney.com. Other websites like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars. Apart from liablemoney.com, there are other websites such as Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars, where you can earn money by watching videos and doing simple tasks. Swagbucks is a well-known platform that has been operational since 2010 and has already paid out over $348 million in cash and gift cards to its users. To start earning money with Swagbucks, simply navigate to their Swagbucks Watch section and choose from more than 10 categories. Within each category, you'll find playlists with a variety of videos, lasting from under 30 minutes to an hour. You accumulate points each time you watch a video. Earning points through watching videos is just one of the many ways to make money on Swagbucks. In addition to video-related points, you can earn money by taking surveys, testing new products, and even using Swagbucks search engine. Another platform we're considering is Inbox Dollars, which has been around since 2000 and has already distributed over $50 million to its members. Similar to Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars allows you to make money by watching videos in various categories, such as movie trailers and product showcases and demos. In addition to watching videos, you can also earn additional cash by playing online games, reading sponsored emails, and downloading coupons. Moreover, you can receive a $5 cash bonus simply by creating an account. Remember, these websites offer various ways to earn money apart from watching videos, so make sure to check them out. Now, what are you waiting for? Start earning money by watching videos on YouTube and other websites. Head over to liablemoney.com, Swagbucks, or Inbox Dollars and create an account. Don't forget to watch all videos from beginning to end to maximize your earnings. Also, refer your friends and family to these websites and earn even more. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the like button if you found it helpful. Also, subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks on making money online. Click on the screen to check out more videos. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.